tell me about, starting a PMS and all. They have their own set of challenges. But in 2018-19, right, like launching Green Portfolio and then managing a PMS. So how was it like?
See, launching a PMS was natural to us. We were investing into the markets and our stakes in the markets were increasing. And a few investors who we were helping do some investments, they were doing pretty well. So we got some good success stories. We made a few 100-bagger stocks as well for some of our friends and family. So they also got very excited and said that, okay, you take this money and you manage this in a professional manner. Our stakes were also increasing, so we thought that we should be doing it in a professional manner. We never knew how deep is the market, so we did not have a background of a very big face coming from television or from a very large institution, but we had a good background of family. So I was second generation into investing. My partner was 3 generations into investing, all chartered accountants. So that background of investing and that learning curve was there as a professional. So we just started this. We were we met. I and Anuj met in our CA together as interns working with a chartered accountant. And there we used to discuss stocks, and it took us good 3-4 years to take the license. We made the company. It took us to good 3 to 4 years, and 2018 is when we took the license. Early 2018. So 2018, when we took the license, initially, if you are starting up a PMS, you have to set up a lot of base, right? So you have to set up your philosophy, you have to set up your products, you have to set up your research team, operations, right? I remember that we were making forms for so we did everything on our own, right? So we did not want to burn in our company. So what we thought that everything, even the PMS application to SEBI, we manage ourselves, right? So usually people hire KPMG, PwC for doing these applications. We did ourselves. So initially we were setting up our processes, we were setting up our research, what should be the research report format. So initial 2 years, and then market was not doing well. So initial 2 years we had some basic set of our investors who knew us, friends and family. Initial set of investors are usually friends and family. Then we spend that time in getting things in action, right? Getting things on ground. Our initial set of research people were also newbies to the market, right? But we used to work with them very closely. That we used to guide them, sitting with them on each and every aspect, right? Then gradually we improved our, I would say, hiring standards. So what happened was the best thing that happened to us was small cases in 2020. So 2020 gave you uh, a lot of good space, mind space from investors, because everybody was wanting to do something. Everybody was at home, and people wanted to actually do investing. Markets were volatile. There were opportunities. The markets started doing well. So a lot of people wanted to do something over there. We were very early on small cases, and that actually gave us a lot of thrust. We actually went on and did a lot of YouTube videos, a lot of webinars, a lot of investor interaction. We used to get investor attention, and those initial investors actually did very well. So what happens is when investors, so if anyone is investing money with you, returns is definitely very important. But other than that, they need to be they need to have trust on you. They need to have that comfort with you, right? Then they invest with you.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो से कुछ सीखने मिल रहा है तो आपको अपसर्च का वीकली न्यूज़लेटर जरूर पसंद आएगा। हर फ्राइडे शाम 6:30 बजे हम आपको आपके इनबॉक्स में स्टॉक मार्केट रिलेटेड चीजें शेयर करेंगे which will be helpful in your trading and investing journey। नीचे दिए हुए लिंक पे आप हमारे ऑलरेडी पब्लिश किए हुए इश्यूज को भी चेकआउट कर सकते हैं।
Like there would be times when you are underperforming the markets. There would be times that when you are outperforming the markets, you should be disciplined for sure. You should be delivering for sure. But there would be times where you are underperforming or outperforming with some or the other fund managers. But what would keep investors stick to you is that how like connected you are to the investors.
Yeah.
So that connect we were able to establish early on with the investors. We got a very good growth over there, and that thing actually helped us get a lot of PMS investors as well.
Mm.
So gradually, and we kept on delivering. We kept on working very closely with our investors. I remember that then when Russia Ukraine happened, then that growth plateaued, and then for that time being, and then we that time we went back to our customers, handhold them for like making them understand that markets will not go up forever. They will be like this and this, right? So we because a lot of these investors were newbies and they only saw up in the market, right? They never saw a down and downfall in the market, and when they saw the downfall, they got nervous
Yeah.
that okay, this also happens. So then we established our relationship team that we would talk with you very closely, and we would work with you very closely on your financial independence journey, right? So those things happened, and then again market started doing well.
Mm.
So then again now they're doing well. So I think that hand holding happened, and it was a great learning experience for us as well. I think मजा आता है यार, मतलब ये जो करते हैं हम लोग इसमें बहुत मजा आता है, because we are actually doing something which we love first of all, and I think financial well-being is a very
Yeah.
under-talked topic which you guys are taking very well care of. That we always talk about physical well-being, mental well-being, but financial well-being I think is very important, right? If you are financially independent, if you have certain amount of savings, you are actually you actually change the way you live, right? You take decisions more independently. You are more happy, right? So we think that what we are doing right is very important, and we enjoy doing that now, and learnings I think would continue as we move in this journey as well.